welcome to Steve's Physics channel. I'm Steve, and today we're going to be doing a projectile motion problem, or really more where we're dropping something. In this case, the problem is a Boeing 747 cruise speed is 575 miles per hour. If while cruising at a height of 37,000 feet, it drops a piece of luggage. We want to know A, how long until the luggage crashes to the ground, and B, how far will the luggage land from where it was dropped. So what I want to know really is how far will the plane travel in the amount of time that the luggage takes to fall to the ground. Go ahead and pause the video, try it by yourself, and when you're ready, I'll show you how I did it. Welcome back. The first thing we have to do when dealing with this type of problem is we have to recognize that not everything is already in metric units, which is what we need to work in. So the 575 miles per hour and the 3,700 feet needs to be changed to metric units. So we need to first convert those, and I've done that for you. If you do need to get help with that, I'll link to a previous video somewhere in the corner above. But for this problem, we know the initial velocity of 257 meters per second, the height of 11,277 meters, and we know we're on Earth, so there's gravity of 9.8 meters per second squared. What we want to know is time and the distance traveled by the plane during the time interval. So the first thing I did is to solve for time. In this case, what I use is the equation we've used many times before, is h is equal to initial velocity times time plus 1/2 times gravity times time squared. And we know all of those things except for time. So we'll plug in what we know, we'll do a little rearranging and solve for time, and in this case we get 47.97 seconds. Now for part B. Since we already figured out time in part A, we'll use that to solve for part B, and in this case it's actually a really simple equation. All we'd have to do is just distance is equal to velocity times time. We know what the initial velocity, because that was given to us in the problem, and we just figured out time from part A, so we now just multiply those two together, and we'll get that our distance traveled by the plane during that time is 12,330.69 meters. Hopefully this helped. If this did, please like and subscribe for more content just like it. If you do have questions, please leave them down in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer you. Until then, have a great day.